Oh, good skipping, Ro.
It's moving.
Bye-bye. I really want to take one of those Dora Band-Aids through my nose, but I think
Oh.
See you at Christmas.
That would be fun.
You can play the guitar. Can I
See you
Uh-oh. First I need to tell everybody that the song's going on.
Okay. Tell everybody. I want to hear the whole thing.
Yeah.
Romy, she wants to get in there. You open the box for her. Nice.
You ready?
Yes.
Yay!
Okay.
All right, we're ready for the song.
Good announcing, MC.
Hunter, you're supposed to sing.
But
You ain't nothing but a hound dog.
Angel.
Crying.
Nothing but a hound.
Sasha, put them all up for you.
How about who let the dog out?
Oh, that's a good
Are
one.
we dog themed?
Who let the dog out?
Ooh, let's go. Yeah, good.